Yeah, that's how many leads I generated through my live chat. So the concept is pretty simple. So what you do is you set up a live chat on your website, right? So for example, you can use anything, okay? I use TIDIO, I use HubSpot, you can use any, okay? Just find a live chat software. You can use a free one too, get some for WordPress plugin, it's all free, okay? And once you get that, install it on your site, okay? Install it on your site, and then it's gonna be right here, right? And when people, see, I'm an admin, so it's not gonna show me, but if I click here and if I try to send a message, right? Like this, well, I'm online, so I don't think I can do it, but the way it works, I'm already logged in here, but whenever somebody, let's try something, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open it on my incognito, and then I can show you. Then it's gonna look, oh, I get it. So I'm gonna open it right here. So the concept, the idea is to, get people's emails and names through chat box. Does it work? I showed you it. I collected like 21,000 leads. So there we go. I'm on my site, right? And I'm on incognito, and I want to go ahead and, okay, hi. Now that's how you do it. So whenever people say, it says, enter your email, people say, I'm gonna put demo at whatever my email is. Now, once I do that, guess what? The leads on my lead panel has increased. So all you have to do is set this up, okay? This is not only going to help you, number one, build trust with your customer. That's one, it's a given, right? It'll also help you get more sales. Not only that, right? People who don't even buy, they have questions, right? They will opt in right here, and you will have a list of potential buyers that you can send out emails with new articles, blogs, YouTube videos, I don't know, any videos, whatever you want, new offers, you can send it to them directly to their email because they were interested at one point or another. Because a lot of you guys, what you're doing is, let's say a chat comes in like this, you're trying to help them out, they don't buy, right? You just leave it out. You forget about it. But here's the thing. People want to know. So what happens is, let's say you come up with a brand new features a month later, right? What's going to happen is when you send out that email to that same person, they're like, oh, they're doing pretty good. Let me go check it out. Let me go buy it. Let me see what's up. So go ahead and try this on your site, and trust me, you're going to get so many leads, okay? The idea is, to have lead generation on autopilot, and this is one of them. If you're not doing this, guys, you're like, this installing a live chat on your site, it kills so many birds with one stone. Customer will trust you. You're gonna get more, sales. Number three, more leads. Okay, do it right now and make your life much easier. Now, if you want more tips like this, Evil Salesman book, and this book has been top 5 book on Amazon and Barnes & Noble for almost 3 years. That's a lot, okay? And try this book out, and if you don't want to buy it, you don't have to. Just subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna give it to you all for free eventually at one point, but if you want it all, it's here.